Sige, rep. Number 41 to number 7. Number 14 to number 9. Shoot! Number 9. Number 9.
Yung shot lang.
2 points.
Naglabas na kanina kasi. Hindi pa kami nag-booking. Kanina.
Dribble yung number 9, ay number 3. To number 9. To number 41, wala. Number 9, rebound. To number 7. 2 points, number 7.
Yeah, water dyan mo magluto yun.
Ingnan.
Kiras, number 8. Concepcion, number...
Uy.
Wala, number 7. Rebound by number 9. Number 3. Dribble. Oy, may pito. Traveling violation. Kiras, number 8. Ravena. Concepcion, number 1. Wala. Rebound niya ulit, number 1. Concepcion. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 9. To number 7. 8 minutes. And 8 seconds. Number 7. Number 41. Yun, wala. Concepcion, number 1. Rebound. Dinerecho. 2 points. Concepcion. Number 3, oy. Number 7 to may pito. Foul number 8. Kiras. Ay, kanya man. First personal foul, first team foul. To number 41. Naliwa, wala. Rebound niya pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng number 14, 2 points. Number 14. Ravena. Oh, may pito. Who's foul rep?
Technical.
Who's foul?
Hindi, medyo mataas ako.
Taas yung kamay yung foul. Number 3, foul. Number 3, foul. First foul, first team foul.
Foul.
Sampulang. Wala pang budget. Sige lang.
Ay, okay. Continue.
Continue, sorry. Continue.
Yung kape, continue. Number 7. To number 1, Concepcion, wala. Rebound niya, wala pa rin.
Yay.
Same ball. Shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Uy!
Uy.
Ay, wala. Rebound.
Let's go, right.
Number 7. 2
Ay,
points.
nice.
Number 7.
Ano nga? Ito kasi nagsimula eh.
Kiras, number 8. 3 points. Wala.
Yay.
Rebound by number 14.
Pagulong na to.
Kuwaray,
Number
kuwaray.
3.
Papagulungan lang natin.
Number 41.
Tumayo na ako eh. Nasisita ako eh.
Wala.
Yay.
Rebound by number 9. Oh, yung nasa sa kabila. Number 7. Number 7, dribbling Nicole. Yun, 2 points. Nice drive. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Score 8-4. Uy, nawala yung bola. Number 14 to number 41. Yun, turn around. Wala. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Rabena. Yun, 2 points. Wala kaming wala pa. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 7. 2 points aja. Rabena. Number 7. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Yun. Oh. Last ball. Number 41. Number 7.
Oh, yun.
Counter.
Red pa.
Change player pagkatapos ng free
Free
throw.
throw. Pag na-shoot.
Foul number 14. Pag na-shoot, change player ha.
Pwede na yung magpipinot lang may iwan.
Oo, sige.
Kakalap muna ako sa gitna.
1 shot. Counted. 1 shot. Sige.
Jumper.
Yung iba muna ha. Pag na-shoot. Pag na-shoot yan. Oh, okay, change player. Score 8-9.
Bunso, 100 step lang ah. Bilangin mo yan.
Para lang sa team.
Number 7. Dalawang bola, number 7.
Hello, Jawad.
Number 11.
Yay!
Wala.
Kuwaray!
Rebound by number 7. Wala pa rin. Rebound niya pa rin.
Yay!
10 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock.
Una pang uminit ulo ko yan.
10 second shot clock. Number 7 to number 9. Wala.
Yay.
Rebound by number 23. Number 10. Bunso. Wala. Sumobra. Number 7.
Oh!
Foul by number 26. Bunso. 26. Number 26. First foul. 2 free throw.
Ganun din eh.
Second team foul. Wala. 3 minutes and 32 seconds.
Ay, putik ito pala.
Yun, pasok yung isa. Number 7.
Ay,
Tagalin daw yan.
Number 10. Dalawang bola. Number 23.
May nag-request.
Number 23, wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Yun, pasok.
Kung na yung pass break nila.
Number 10. Number 10. 13 second shot clock. Wala. Number 7, rebound. To number 7. Yun, 2 points. 2 points. Okay, 2 points. Yeah. Last 2 minutes and 29 seconds. 12-9. Number 7, Euro step. Uy, Pinoy step. Number 10, wala.
Kuwaray!
Number 7. Number 7, 2 points. Number 26.
Hindi na tawagan.
Number 9. Hook. Tatawag rep. 3 seconds.
Hindi.
3 seconds ba yan? Time out, team. Team 5. Time out, team. Yung kape, hindi pa kumukulo.
Fourth quarter pa yan.
Number 7 to number 7.
Mahaba yung extension eh. Hindi pwedeng ano.
Number 7, dribbling the ball. Uy, nice pass, sayang. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. 15-9. Number 9, jump shot tapa. Block. Yun, kuha ng number 9. Uy, line ball. 51 seconds. Number 26, Bunso. Shoot mo. Wala. Rebound by number 9.
Letso!
Number 7. Wala. Rebound by number 7 ulit. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 10. Yun, steal by number 7. Yun, steal na Bunso.
Tira!
Number 23. Shoot. 2 points. 17 second shot clock. Stepping on the line. Score 15-11. 14 seconds.
14 seconds, ha? 5
To number 9. 5 seconds. 2 points by number. End of the first quarter.
Abulin mo!
Wala. Number 7. Concepcion, number 1. 3 points. 10's favor. 15-16. Lamang na po ang team 1.
Uy.
Wala. Rebound by number 1. Concepcion.
Natin!
Foul, number 7.
Sa amin.
Foul. Hata.
Sige.
9 minutes. Number 3. Jump shot. Wala.
Yay.
Rebound by number 7. Concepcion. Dinerecho. Carabena. Wala. Rebound by number 7.
Ay.
Loose ball. Concepcion, number 1. Number 7. Wala. Rebound by number 1, Concepcion. Jump shot. Shoot. 2 points, Concepcion. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. 15-18. Number 3. To number 14. To number 7. Wala.
Yay.
Rebound by Concepcion. Steal by number 3. 8 minutes. Number 3 to number 14. Tinira ng 3. Rebound by Giovanni. Concepcion, number 1. Layup, wala. Number 3 to number 41. 2 points. Number 41. Ito ka. Plus 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Who's foul rep? Number 14? Number 14, foul. Number 14, foul. Second team foul. Second foul. Wala. Sayang.
May sa ulo mo.
Second shot.
Later on din, silaban na natin.
May pagigason na lang yun.
Wala pa rin.
Sukuan niya. Di lang ta mga suko ba?
By number 9. Number 41. 2 points by number 41. Rabena. Count.
Sabit.
Rabena. 2 points.
Klaro kayo,
Sinong foul? Rep, sinong foul?
Itong ano? Ito naka-blow.
Number 7, number 7. Second personal foul, third team foul. Rebound by number 41. Yun, bumirik yun ng number 41. Number 41 to number 3.
Huwag mo ipasa kaya.
6 minutes and 45 seconds. 9 second shot clock.
Yay.
Rabena, 2 points. 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Pinuyat ka sa ulo boss daw eh.
8, 19, 22. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 7. Yeah. Number 7. Wala.
Yay.
Yun, rebound by number 7. Wala. Number 3.
Putik.
Same ball, same ball. Same ball sabi ng red. 6 minutes and 4 seconds.
Pasakin, nainit na.
Tumira ng 3, wala. Giovanni by rebound. Pinasa kay Rabena. Ay, wala. Oh. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ingat lang, ingat. Concepcion to Rabena. Rabena 2 points. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Score 19-24. 10 second shot clock. Steal by number 7. Rabena ulit. 2 points. Rabena. Chance player.
Ginasul ko na. Sino ba yan? Bakit mo siya mo? Sino ba yan?
Okay, back to the ball game. Sabagay.
Dito bang hitter na yan eh. Yung isa yung nakaraan. Pinalita namin.
Number 14, 2 points. Number 14. Number 5 to number 26.
Pasa mo sa lapit ko so. Yun na, lumuwag na.
Bunso. Number 9. Yun, 2 points. Number 9, Andres.
Let's go, Rai.
2 points by number 9, Andres. Number 7 to number 14. To number 41. Rebound by number 41. Nice shot. 2 points by number 41. Score 23-28. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Number 5 to number 10. Yun, wala. Walang pinasahan. Time.
Technical ka dyan.
Number 26. Tapos, rebound by number 14. Uy, naagawan. Number 23, wala. Rebound by number 41. To number 7. Uy! Pinoy step. Number 7. 2 points.
Huwag ka tuwawa.
Number 26. Yun. Bunso. To number 5. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by
Tapon. Diretso!
number 7. 2. Oh, wala. Number 26 foul. 26. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Wala ako pala dyan. Tuturo sa akin mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko alam.
First attempt. Wala.
Isa right.
Last attempt. 3 minutes and 1 seconds. 25-28. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 23. Diretso. Diretso. By Pito. Who's foul rep? Number 14. Number 14. Third personal foul, 14 foul. 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Penalty na? Wala pa.
14 foul, 14
Fourth pa,
foul.
fourth. Warning, warning.
14 foul, 14
Warning.
foul.
Diretso right!
Number 7, 2 points. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 27-28. To number 10, to number 23, reverse, wala. Rebound by number 41. May Pito. Foul number 9. Number 9. Ay, manong foul na. First personal foul, second team foul. Hindi ko nakita. Rebound by number 23. Number 23, with 3 ball. So, number 9. Wala. Rebound, oy! Rebound by number 99. Diretso ng number 99. Wala. Number 41, rebound. Number 99. Oy, still by number 26. Bunso. Oh! Oy, kunin. Oy, wala.
Raul naman.
Number 14 to na. Oh,
Naiwan
nakuha
ang-
ng number 10.
Naiwan ang
Still by number
bola.
10. Number 23. Oh, wala pa rin yung reverse niya. Oh, nakuha ni Bunso. Bunso, number 26. Oh, number 23, 2 points. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Score 27-30. Number 7, turn around, wala. Rebound by number 41. 2 points, number 41. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Number 10, wala. Rebound by number 9. Line ball. 42 seconds. 40 seconds. Number 14, 2 points. Number 14. Last 30 seconds. Number 23, yun, binangga. 2 points. 20 seconds. Number 41. Number 99 to number 7. 10 seconds. Number 7. Wala. 5 seconds. Yun, rebound ng 41. 2. Back to the ball game.
Bola na nila.
Team Tagyan. Loose ball. Number 1, Concepcion. To Ravenna. Alright. Number 1, Concepcion. Wala. Number 7.
Screen.
To number 14. Number 8. Number 3 pala. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Number 3 ulit. Uy! Pinoy step. Wala. Kiras. Number 3. Number 8. Ravenna. 2 points. Ravenna. 9 minutes and 1 second. Number 7. To number 3. Hoy, pumipig. Oh, hoy, turn around. Turn around. 2 points. Number 3. Number 7. Kiras. Number 8. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Concepcion. 2 points. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. 35-36. Namang ko ang team 1. Number 3. To number 9. Tumira ang 3. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Oy.
Nainit na?
Yung kape.
Wala after the fourth quarter.
Number 7. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. 3-9. Foul. Giovanni, number 14. First personal foul, first team foul. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 7. Number 7.
Screen. Oh, wala man lang.
Kininig, tumira ng 3. Pasok!
Oh, yun.
3 points! Number 7. Third quarter. Oh, sige, sa akin.
Lobat na.
Kape. Concepcion. Wala. Rebound by. Seorang. Baru. Number 7. 3 points.
Ayan.
3 points saya. Number 7. Number 7. Foul.
Kutsara mo, Ter.
Foul by number. Ay, sige. Sa'yo na. Ayun, thank you. Pasok tayo. Pasok yung steal by number 7. Oh, by Pito. Number 3. To number 7. Eurostep. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 7. Ravenna. Number 1, Concepcion. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Number 7. To number 7. Wala.
Yay.
Rebound by number 8. Number 7. Nice pass. Wala.
Yay. Ay. Ano na?
Technical. 1 free throw. Tala.
Ayaw ka na kuratan! Ayaw pa kuratan!
Oh, pasok ang 1 point ni Badal. Awan naman. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. 38 all. Concepcion. To Ravenna. Tumira ng 3. Yun, 3 points. Ravenna. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 38-41. Okay. Number 14 to number 9. Number 9. Hook shot. Wala. Hook. Palit player, sir. Palit player na. Palit player na sir. Binangga, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 23. Bunso. Ohoy, nakuha ni Bunso. Number 10. Yun, steal.
Diretso!
Number 7. Number 7, pull up, wala. One more, 2 points. Number 7.
Nice.
40-41. Lamang po ang team 1. Bunso, number 26. Number 10, wala.
Baba, Ray, baba.
41. Number 41. Yun.
Ay, ay.
Eurostep. Ano yun?
Travel.
Traveling. Na Pinoy step. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 26. To number 9. Wala. Yun, agaw. Number 23, wala. Rebound by number 11. Number 7. To number 7. Pasok, number 7. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Score 42-41. Number 9. Tapos. To number 23. 2 points. Number 23. Score 42-43. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 7. Number 7 to number 99. Number 99, oh, natapon lang. Line ball. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Number 26. Number 23. Tama. Number 23, 2 points, jump shot. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Score 42-41. Sige. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 7, wala. Rebound by number 41. 2
Whoa!
points. Time out. Team 5. 2 points. Number 41.
Chay!
Init na?
1 shot. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Number 23. Hawak ang bola. Jump shot. Number 9. Pumasa. Oy, may pito. Trabili. 1 minute and 47 seconds. Number 7. To number 41.
Whoa!
Counter. Foul number 9. Number 9. Third team foul. Second personal foul. Number 9. Then contact number 1 minute and 34 seconds. 46-45. Wala. Rebound by number 23. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Kalubang na ko 1 minute and 25 seconds. To number 9. To number 5. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 41. To number 7.
Putik na. Uy!
Foul by number 26. Third personal foul. Fourth team foul. Wala pa. Fourth pa lang. Fourth team foul. Fourth team foul. Fourth team foul. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Wala. Last throw. Wala pa rin. Number 7, wala. Rebound by na.
Labas.
Number 11, rebound. Number 7, 2 points. Number 7. Last 53 seconds. 45-48. Number 5 to number 26.
Hindi, oy.
Oh. 24 second shot clock.
Baba.
31 seconds. 25 seconds. Pera ng dos, wala. Loose ball. 17 seconds. Number 5. Number 10. 9 seconds. Bang! 5 seconds. Number 23, 3 points. End of third quarter.
Hindi na una na yung third match.
Last quarter, fourth quarter. Ravenna to Concepcion. To Ravenna. Oh, nice steal. Number 7. Wala.
Nice job.
Number 1, Concepcion. Number 23, Matthew. Wala.
Oy, balik ka.
9 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 7. Number 7. Hoy! Nice steal. Number 7. 2 points. Number 7. 9 minutes and 15 seconds.
Hindi ako ilalagay para walang hangin.
Score 50-48. Number 41. Number 41, 2 points. Binangga ang pader. Number 1, Concepcion. To Ravenna. Ravenna, number 15. To number 1, 10 seconds. Wala. 2 points. Concepcion, number 1.
Ito lang yung initan ko.
Score 52-50. 8 minutes and 25 seconds.
Okay na?
Number 9, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 1, Concepcion. Number 7. Number 7, wala. Ravenna, number 15. Number 7. Number 7. Oh, steal by number 1, Concepcion. Concepcion. Jump shot. Wala. Isa pa, wala. Number 7, 2 points. Score 54-50. Lamang po ang team 1. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 3 to number 9. Number 9, wala. Rebound by number 41. Yung number 41, 2 points. Power play. First personal foul, first team foul. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. One throw, wala. Rebound by number 7. Oy, wala. Number 7. To number 7. Wala. Stop. 7 minutes and 8 seconds. 23, number 2 yun. Wala.
Ganito.
41, number... Oy! Time out! Team 5! 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 7. Number 41. Binangga. Wala. Jumbo.
Same ball, same ball.
Kanina, same ball?
Same ball.
Same ball, same ball. Ma'am, kaya ilipat mo na yung...
Pag-inbound, pag-inbound.
Hindi, pagkatapos ng one. On. Ravena to Concepcion. 2 points. Concepcion. 6 minutes and 16 seconds. May pito. Stop. Okay. Score 56-52. 6 minutes and 11 seconds.
Pisto.
Number 7. Ay, huli. Number 3. Number 3 to number 7. 2 points. Number 7. Number 7. Number 1, Concepcion. Number 23, foul by number 41. 41, bro. First team foul. First personal foul. First shot. Pasok ang first shot. 55-56. 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Pasok pa rin ang all 56.
Roy, bakit ka nun?
Wait lang.
Time. Yung ano, yung...
Andito yung tinitignan ko.
Nung kami.
Okay na. 58-56.
Tama yun. Pero dito sa...
54.
56 kami, 56. Ayun yung score. Kasi ano...
Saglit. Yung score doon, no? Mali. Score na? Match.
Okay na.
Okay. 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Number 7. To number 11. 15 second shot clock. To number 41. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Ravena. 2 points. 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Score 60-56. Number 3. To number 7. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound by number 41. Number 41 to number 7. Wala. Rebound naman ng number 41. Yun. Power play number 41. 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Score 60-58. Number 1, Concepcion. Yun, number 23, 2 points. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Number 3. To number 41, Binangga, number 41, foul. Concepcion, number 1. First personal foul, second team foul. 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Lihog. Ay,
Sige, ito.
nara.
Dagang nun?
Sakto lang. Sige. Ay, sakto na.
Number
Thank
3.
you.
4 minutes and 12 seconds. 58-62. Rabena, number 15. Number 7. Giovanni Dupont. 3 minutes and 52 seconds. 60%. 64-58. Number 7. Timeout. Team 5. Who's foul rep? Giovanni. 1 point. 1 point. Number 7. Last throw. Rebound by number 23.
One shot.
Rabena, number 15. Oh, nice steal. Nice steal, number 7.
That's right.
Number 7. Jump shot, wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Number 7, nice pass. Concepcion, 2 points. Sir, 59 na dyan, sir. 59 na dyan. 59 na. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. 66-59. Number 41. Number 41, Bilanggang Pader. Wala. Rebound by number 1, Concepcion. To 23, Matthew. Lumayap, wala. Rebound by number 3. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 3, jump shot, wala. Rebound by number 14. To number 41, foul. Concepcion, number 1.
Ilan na?
Second personal foul, 14 foul.
Warning.
2 minutes and 36 seconds. Warning for penalty. 66-59. Wala. Second throw. Yun, pasok ang isa. Walang lumalapit eh. Walang lumalapit eh. Sige. Number 7. To Giovanni. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Number 3. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 66-60. To number 14.
Yay.
Wala. Rebound by number 1. Concepcion to Rabena. Rabena. Pinoy step. Oh, sub. Pasok na yung sub. Who's foul rep? Number 3, foul. Number 3. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Number 3. Rabena, number 15. Matthew, number 23. Jumam shot, 2 points. Last 1 minute and 57 seconds. 68-60. Number 7 to number 7. Yun, still ng number 7 ulit. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Rabena, 2 points. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Number 7, tumira ng 3, wala. 1 minute and 27 seconds. Score 70-60.
Freeze na lang ang bola.
Rabena. 15-second shot clock. Tumira ng 3, wala. Giovanni rebound. Oy. 1 minute and 8 seconds.
Harap.
1 minute and 5 seconds. Nalo. Rebound by Matthew. 23 to Ravena. Ravena, 2 points. 50 seconds.
Running time yan. Huwag may pause. Running time yan. Galing shoot eh.
45 seconds. 40 seconds. Number 14, wala. Concepcion rebound number 5, number 1. 30 seconds. Giovanni, tumira ng 3. Wala. Ravena rebound. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 points. Number 14. End of the game. Score 72-62. Team 1 winning. Sino ang MVP?
Concepcion. Concepcion na.
MVP, Ravena.
Arabe na.
Number 15.
Kuya, kamera.
Ang tento, wala pa! Ang tento, wala pa!
Giovanni, big player.
Gutom na ako.
Best player, Giovanni.
Picture si Giovanni ha?
Hindi siya makapaniwala eh.
Best player lang, pero MVP si Ravena. Best player lang si Giovanni ha, pero yung MVP si Ravena. Okay. Nice game. Picture na yung mga winning